So today I thought I'd show you guys just a collection of bags that I have here in Japan. People collect bags in Japan. Stores will give out paper bags with handles, and it's common for people to save those and then have them around the house when they need something to carry something in. Sometimes they might give a gift using that bag too, but it's also just kind of nice to collect them. You see people carrying them around when they go shopping if it's a particular bag that they like. And I was just going through my collection of the ones that I really wanted to keep and kind of going to make sure that they were saved in a good place. So I thought I'd show you guys what these are. First of all, this is a bag from the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, Tokyo. And I haven't been here, but somebody gave us a gift from here, and this bag was in there, and so I decided to keep it. The bag has the print from the Daily Prophet on it, which is really cool. So there's that bag. There is this bag from the Brighton Hotel, which we stayed at in Kyoto when Ubisoft asked us to come out. And we actually ordered a special grape tart cake from the hotel cafe, and it was delivered in this bag. So thought I'd keep that. This is a gift bag from Godiva. Anything from there is always super yummy and tasty. And I've gotten many things from here. I don't know which particular time this was from, but it is something I have. We have a gift bag from this place in Kyoto called Granny Smith's Apple Pie and Coffee. And we went there and got takeout from their apple pie, and it was so good. And we actually went back again. So when we go to Kyoto, we go there if we can. And this is the bag from there. This is a Ubisoft 30th anniversary of Japan kind of bag that we got exclusively when we were there, that had lots of fun little things inside. So that's a very unique and special bag. I have two of those. We have these gift bags that we got when we made our own plum wine. So I have those, 4 of them in here. Then we have this bag from Calbee, which is the company that makes potato chips in Japan. And Kate got something from this store, and I just saved the bag because I thought it was fun and cute. It has the characters, the little, what's that called? You know. I can't, giraffe, hello. I just kept saying the Japanese word over and over and over again. I'm sorry. Their logo is a giraffe for Jagariko. And then these are some of the other characters from different potato chips too. So, very cute. I love that very much. And then I have here my first time that I got a chance to go to the Nintendo store in Kyoto. And when I went there, I was just super lucky, and I got randomly my favorite game, Animal Crossing. So that was cool. And they were super kind and asked if I could have 2. So they gave me 2. And then we have this lucky bag that we got when we won McDonald's, and that's the bag that it came in. So I was just keeping that, and some of the boxes of the items are in there too, so keeping that. We have this cute their lucky bag that Mr. Donuts did with Pokemon, and I just kept the bag of that too, because why wouldn't you? There's Pikachu disappearing into a donut upon knitting. So cute. Adorable, right? And then I also got this special, like, 55th anniversary Mr. Donut bag. And when I bought this, it came with a tote bag. That's what I bought the tote bag, and this was in it. But I was just keeping the bag for that. And then I also have, oh, that's the back. Sometimes there is no back that matters, but that's cute. And then I have a few different of these cherry blossom kind of bags from Starbucks. And these are all from different years, and I don't remember the year. I think one of them says that's 2022. so pretty. The ones at Christmas aren't as, I don't think they have the same kind of impact. The cherry blossoms just are so pretty. And then there's this one. And then the next time around, there was this one. So I don't really, like I said, I'll have to look. I probably could look it up online and find out exactly which year those were. But those are some, and then I don't have all of them. I wish I did, but I don't. And then when we went to America and I went to Target, I got my Target bag and brought that home. And I also got from something we ordered online, this was what it was delivered in from the Target store. And I just thought that was cute. It's this like funny little like sealable bag. And there's a cute little doggo that's always there. So that's my collection of random bags. I hope you guys enjoyed looking. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.